The overview for P6-10. We're going to be making 4 parts: the C block, the arm, which we've done something similar in previous exercises, the let's call it a pivot pin, and the locking pin will kind of lock the arm in position. So when this aligns on this side, be able to thread through and contact on the back of the arm. So the threads we'll have a discussion about as an optional exercise, and then we'll get more into it in the next project. So when I'm looking at this, I might want to draw the C shape through the middle of the part and extrude it midplane. Then the ob-round, or the slot, and we can have the holes go through and extrude to depth. That's pretty straightforward. The pin, and this little rectangle at the top, or a square at the top, there's not really any major advantage to revolving this. So we're probably looking at just circles extruded out some distance, and then we'll deal with this geometry on the end as we go through it. So not a whole lot to this, but the recommendation, the encouragement is that you will do as much of this as you can without watching the how-to video. And then when you get stuck, kind of watch up to that point, see what I do, compare it to what your strategy, what your decision making look like, and then continue on from there with your own strategies. The main thing at this point is that you start to trust your decisions, and find that the projects maybe will go a little bit faster, and that you're not spending as much time really thinking about the tools and the particulars so much as just being able to jump into it, make decisions, and see how this part progresses. There is no right and wrong way to make these parts. There is only the validity of the finished product. If I take my part and lay it on top of yours in the assembly, I should see the same thing. If I take your part and do a mass properties, I might see some different center of mass, but the mass, the volume, those should be the same between our parts, regardless of where it started from or how it was built. So go after this one. Can say that you will probably need to watch the video on the square. So just a hint, there is a flip side to cut. So if you draw this square on the end of your cylinder, and it is 9mm square, and you extrude cut it 15mm down, it will try to remove the center. But the little box off to the side will say flip the side to cut, which will keep the interior in reverse. So look for that and see if you can do it without jumping into the video. All right, good luck with it.